Yes. You're sharpening the blades. You know what it is. D.M.E on the decks. Skimatik on the mic. We're bringing the fun, we're bringing the hype. Late night recording sessions. Gotta fit it in where you can. No excuses, this is all yes. Pick up all the drum and bass heads. Pick up all them followers, them streamers. Pick up Lloydie, man, done. Pick up Daryl. And this song that you can hear right now, it's an original, it's just been signed. D.M.E, throw it down like that. Warming it. You bring the fire, bring the flame, bring the heat. We lay it down, yeah, we're running on the street. Like an athlete. Yes. Late Saturday night. I'm out there sleeping at 7 alarm and shit. Energy in equals energy out, that's a life lesson. High grade warrior, blaze up the reaper. I wear my armor to my sword like a soldier. High grade warrior, super provider. I roll with many, she's a super provider. High grade consumer, consuming all your high grade. Put me in a class and I'm bound to get an A grade. High grade consumer, the marijuana. I told the reaper at my store gets higher. You know what it is, what it always will be. Pick up all my 420 family. Fun that, run that. Never come around here with fast like a quick cat. Slick that. Time is now. Yeah, it's getting tasty in here. Do we want this? You know, we just hit like a juggernaut. Somebody make some noise for my DJ D.M.E. Give me a fucking middle finger in them comments. You know what it is. Yes, indeed. Naughty. Yes, you know when D.M.E. comes around, because the ground's fucking shaking. Oh shit! It's a big, big, big! I'm coming, shooting, I'm moving, and when I come around the mic, say I'll be screwing, it's like S-K-I, grab up on the mic, I hit the mic and I fly so high. Marijuana toker, marijuana monster, I've been smoking marijuana since I was a youngster. I've been talking marijuana, loving harder, I just come around the mic like a godfather. Shut that, head that, I don't give a shit, man, I slap that back. S-K come back with a quick jack. He done that. Yeah, yeah. Come around, we don't care. Yeah. When we come around for the whole new year. Oh shit. In a mix. That's filthy! Big boss, big blade like a juggernaut. Blade shells in the sky like a juggernaut. We come from touchdown at the core. So we come from the power of the juggernaut. We travel like space to an astronaut. Our birds, our stars like an astronaut. Our station walks in from door. So we travel like an astronaut. Big, what? That's up. Big, what? D.M.E. coming through with the big drop. Yeah, you know that. Let off. Rocket up, blazing. Holy shit! I don't even remember hearing that tune before. Where did you pull that out from, you sneaky little fucker? Shit! Spit fire, spit flame like a juggernaut. The dark side master. Rat-a-tat, fucking you know, down for it like that. Rat-a-tat, like that. My DJ coming hard like that.
The dark side master.
Fuck off! Dark side master, rat-a-tat, like that. We bring a form of more to combat. What rat-a-tat, like that. Straight through, we don't live in the can't handle that. The mic is my weapon, now I'm bringing my attack. I'm the Tyson when I'm cracking and right back. The government are weak, so we just keep back. Take right, like a beat on them, they do that. Rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat. I don't need to show a weapon when they see who's got my back. What rat-a-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat. With a one hand, I'm in top of that. Quick in the shadows, you wouldn't know we're there. I can hear a sound, the tree against there. Running from the shadows, you know you can see it here with the sound of disaster in the smell of your fear. Chill.
Ever after, end of the line, know the last chapter. Playtime is over for those with the answers. Blaster, time's running faster. Fruity, comfortable to pure disaster. Fly back, chosen, broken, raptured, shade upon shade.
The dark side master. So
Champion! See the dark side master. See the dark side master. One shade, the dark side master. Shade upon shade, the dark side master.
yes, yeah.
Dark side, dark side. Dark side.
Yes, D.M.E. Fucking laying it down.
Shade upon shade, the dark side master.
Yes. Big up to my SBGs. You know what it is, what it always will be. There's no stopping infinity. Destiny is bound to be what we make it, so I'm gonna make it fucking great. Big up all my drum and bass heads, all my junglists. Big up THTC, I rap every time. The mic is my weapon. And the decks are his, what? Bringing it back.
Champion!
Oh, so filthy, oh, so terrible, oh, so filthy, oh, so horrible. End up in the building. Yes. Original beats from the one like D.M.E. Keep your ears open, keep them locked, cause it happens often. Yes. Big up all the junglist selector. Big up D.M.E for the production. Man's a machine. Bad boy sound what? Keeping it fresh, sipping the cess, yes! Pass me that reefer, I'm gonna get high later. Cheers. It's always gonna be nice. So we get down to dawn. Pick a bang, 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 bang. My DJ nigga.
Let's get through the room.
D.M.E coming down right here. DJ just don't care. Things so weird, it's gone to dawn. Make no mistake, I'm quick to the draw. Quicker to the trigger when I pull the trigger. Quicker, I'm slide like a snake when my fingers on the trigger. I get iller than a grim reaper. Slice to the side with my sidearm quicker. Automatic savage, I attack it, I am rapid, I am quicker in the mind of Skimatik. Skimatik. I get so goddamn erratic. They said I've got ADHD and I'm frantic, but I don't give a shit cause I'm spinning off the back kick. Yes, yes. D.M.E goes down. I said go down, boy.
Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. And calm. Let's get through the room.
writing hits. South coasting this shit. Yeah. Big up all them man there. Big up all the girl there.